Hello, I'm so glad that you have joined us today. I'm going to take a few minutes and talk to you for a minute about Young Living Seed to Seal. Our seed to seal is so highly important, and it's what separates us from the rest of the essential oil companies. So, as we begin to understand the power of essential oils in the holistic world, we will understand the necessity of obtaining the most pure essential oils. The entire process of obtaining oils must be carefully watched from the very beginning, which from the seed to the very end to the bottling of the essential oil. No matter the financial cost, okay? And Gary Young is all about this. So there are 4 grades of essential oil. The first grade is the synthetic or the nature grade. It's identical oils and it's created in a lab and it's cheap. It's found in your retail stores like Walmart, Bed Bath and Beyond, all that good stuff. And there's no therapeutic benefits, and there actually can be harmful for you. The second grade is the extended or altered grade. This is our fragrance grade oils. They're essential oil based. They're also lab created. They have chemicals to enhance the fragrance, and they are endocrine disruptors. The third is our nature oils. They're certified oils. They pass the oil standard tests, but they may not contain any or just a few therapeutic components. Not concerned with the extraction process, being organic or free from GMOs. The fourth level is our therapeutic grade oils, and those are what Young Living is. They're pure medicinal steam distilled essential oils containing all the desired therapeutic properties, and they are steam distilled from the plant's roots, bushes, trees, and shrubs and resins. Gary Schwartz, he's a PhD, he spoke on systemic memory, and he noted that aromatic compounds contained in roses, for example, will have a different systemic memory than the very same aromatic compounds that were created in the lab to mimic rose. This implication may help explain why pure essential oils actually have intelligence. So years of experience resulting in knowing the optimal species with the most therapeutic potential and optimal time and manner to cultivate and harvest is what is important. So the seeds, the herbs are selected from the proper genus, species, and chemotype from all across the globe. The way they're cultivated, wild oils are extracted from both wild-crafted and cultivated herbs from farms and our partner growers and our farms, and they're distilled. They're grown on virgin land, uncontaminated by chemical fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, or herbicides, and they should be grown. They should be grown in a natural environment. Soil should be nourished with enzymes, minerals, and organic mulch, and that's what Young Living is all about. The harvesting is vitally important. Each one of these things are so important. One's not really more important than the other. The timing of harvest is one of again most important factors in producing the very best quality of essential oils. If the plants are harvested at the wrong time, it may distill an inferior oil. For instance, ylang ylang should be harvested between the hours of midnight and 4 a.m. to produce more powerful constituents. And the distiller should be located close to the field to prevent herbs from drying. So again, Young Living takes they pay attention to the details. Distillation, extremely important. Proper temperature and pressure from the plant to plant. Each plant's different. Young Living's experience has been able to know exactly what each plant needs in the process to get the most therapeutic properties. For example, cypress requires a minimum of 24 hours of distillation at 265 degrees and 5 pounds of pressure to extract the most therapeutic benefits. And most people cut that processing time, most distillers cut that processing time into 2 hours, and they're missing 80 to 20 different constituents. So, like I said, they're trying to cut the time in half so that they can, more than half, make more money. So the cost will be down. So Young Living, they have state-of-the-art distilleries, which is highly important. Gary Young follows all of the distilleries very closely and carefully. So that's just a little bit about our Seed to Seal, and I hope you have any questions, please comment here. Thanks.